All right, here we are again, day 12. I'm hoping this will be a good, exciting day. Yesterday was a little short for a weekend, day 11, in my opinion. Though also, I'm not feeling that much stoke, so it was a 99-point day for me, which I shouldn't have been disappointed by because it was a good day. I feel like any day where I get 50 points is a good day. But, you know, oh, that's too loud. My English football team, AFC Wimbledon, had a 2-2 draw against a team that was better than them today, but it was still sort of disappointing, which is how I feel about my result yesterday, because it was so close to being better. 95th minute penalty. Woo! Pathfinding! Not feeling great. Fuck! Oh man, I have no idea. Woo! Yeah! All right. So part one, I was slower than I wanted to be. Still, this is a disappointingly easy problem, and I'm disappointed a little bit that I didn't do better in part one. But I'm also pretty happy going up 76 points from 106 to 30. 71 points is worse day than yesterday, but not bad. Yeah, there's nothing tricky here. It was just implement the logic. I worry that mean, it already took a little bit of time to run. A lot of the problem was just the debug speed. Okay, it was only 1.2 seconds. I don't know how bad it would have been even if I had implemented it in a more naive fashion, where instead of tracking whether something had been doubled already, I sort of checked and computed it. But yeah, so my algorithm here is I added another argument that I tracked in addition to the path, whether there was already a doubled up thing, which made it a little quicker to check. You know, I wonder how much faster it would run. Yeah, I wonder how much faster it would be. Yeah, so I have the scene thing that I don't use at all. But I think the play is right. Scene.add the scene.movie. Scene starts as start. No, that's not faster. Oh yeah, well, okay, that's annoying because it can be in there multiple times. Yeah, it's not really much faster. Yeah, we don't really use scene. So we can just drop that. I mean, it's not, none of the paths are that long, so scene check doesn't really help, I guess. Anyways, yeah, this is a bad stream. I mean, the programming's fine, but the commentary's bad. But yeah, this is pretty basic. The only tricky thing here, right, is whether you get suckered trying to think if there's some efficient thing. But I think there's not. It's just there are lots of paths through, and you've got to enumerate them all. So you do. Yeah. Let's see how my friends did. Yeah, M. Serrano, 11th, no surprise. Oh, Joshua, bad day. Oh, no, that's the global leader. Or wait, how did I do on the global leaderboard? Did I go down today? Ah, that's bullshit. I had 70 points and I went down? I was 41 yesterday. Yeah, how did Joshua? Joshua didn't do great. M. Serrano, 6th. And oh, M. Serrano missed the day 2, part 2. That's fascinating. How about... yeah. All right. Well, that's day 12. Honestly, I'm a little disappointed. I was hoping for a harder problem. My big complaint last year is there just weren't many... I don't know. This problem required a little bit of thinking, but not a lot of thinking. It wasn't just mindlessly coding exactly. But it was still, you know, a 12-minute leaderboard with 13 minutes, which is too right. Good. Yeah, cleans up to very little code. Of which a big chunk of it's that. You know, I definitely don't need this v and start or end thing. Actually, do I get the wrong answer if I just totally drop that? Yeah, I do. I do get the wrong answer, but I don't need to check for end because I was already checking for end. Is that still the right answer? Yeah. Yeah. I really do love Python for this. It's really the perfect language for advent of code stuff. I mean, I guess actually the fact that it's wildly slow isn't great, but it's not terrible either. Yeah. Yeah, maybe tomorrow I'll try to talk more while I stream, but I don't think anyone's going to watch anyways. So I don't really know why I'm streaming. Except I find it kind of fun. But I should try talking more. Somehow Joshua has people watching his stream, which I don't know how he got them. It might be because he's programming in Lua, which isn't a normal thing to do. All right. Well, good night and have a pleasant tomorrow. Or good night and good luck. We'll go with that one. And good luck, especially if you're not done with the Advent of Code problem yet.